video dives into mind-blowing bulldozer and excavator skills that push the limits of what machines and operators can do. Let's see what's real and what feels unreal. Let's get started. That was some straight-up savage fun right there. Anyone got a guess on how much that beast of a boulder weighs? Hope everyone is okay.
टूट गया क्या? काम खत्म. वही हो रहा था कि ट्रैक्टर नोच रहा है.
Terrain can be unforgiving, as demonstrated when a DAF fuel truck became immobilized in deep mud. Recovery was made possible by two Curvets tractors, Soviet-era machines renowned for their mechanical simplicity, reliability, and pulling capacity. Even decades later, they continue to prove their value in the harshest field conditions. Wow, that's the end of an era, folks. All across the heartland, these family farm icons, barns, silos, homes, are disappearing. It's not just a building gone, it's a legacy lost.
I think I caught him myself.
An impressive demonstration of intergenerational machinery synergy. The K701 leverages its raw pulling power while maintaining precision control to extract the Deere 8410 from deep muck, showcasing how legacy and modern engineering can complement each other in challenging conditions. The sheer scale of the vehicle is staggering. With tires measuring over 13 feet in height, it easily dwarfs both equipment and personnel in its vicinity. Heavy equipment isn't limited to excavation work. Take the Curvet's K71, a 300 horsepower Soviet-era tractor, now tasked with relocating a cedar tree. Its articulated frame ensures a balance of torque and maneuverability, allowing for precise handling that safeguards the tree during transit. Curious about the track reinstallation process on heavy excavators? This footage offers a detailed look at how it's done on a Cobaltco SK380HD, a valuable demonstration of field maintenance and mechanical precision. Thoughts? In the wetlands of northern Sweden, a worst-case scenario unfolded. Both an excavator and a forwarder became immobilized after sinking into unstable, saturated ground. An initial attempt to stabilize the area by freezing the soil proved unsuccessful. Ultimately, the machines had to be extracted through a complex and forceful recovery operation, a process that spanned several weeks due to the challenging terrain and high risk involved. No injuries, thank goodness. Talk about teamwork. The high-tech D7R2 and the battle-hardened T170, one modern beast, one Soviet-era legend, working in perfect sync. When old school meets new school, nothing stands in their way. It won't win any races, but this Soviet-era crawler wasn't built for speed. It was built for survival. Watch it push through waterlogged terrain like it's second nature, the treads churning steadily, refusing to quit. In a world chasing upgrades, this is proof that old tech still knows how to show up and deliver.
Hi, I'm Kyle Hughes. I was nominated.
1 second he's standing, the next, boom, a wall of water slams into him like a freight train.
Beat that!
Is this real life scene or movie scene? The Caterpillar D11 showcases unmatched performance in quarry operations. With an operating weight of 230,000 pounds and its powerful ripper hook, it delivers the force needed to break through the toughest materials efficiently and reliably. Meet Sweden's largest dredger, equipped with a powerful V12 Cummins engine. Though it operates at a deliberate pace, approximately 1 bucket per minute, this slow cycle ensures precision during sensitive river dredging tasks, such as bridge construction. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. Moving a beast like the D7R2 is a choreography of steel and caution. Every step, especially that track alignment, is deliberate. In this world, safety isn't a backup plan, it's the main act. Efficient operation requires high sensitivity to changes in traction, precise throttle adjustment, and precise bucket height adjustment. This seamless perfection is the result of years of practical experience and refined skills. Just as the excavator clawed through the final wall, the ground gave way beneath it, one track vanishing into an unseen basement. In a split second, progress turned into panic. A tough lesson in why checking below is just as important as tearing above.
Стрелу, блядь. Рукоять точно.
Watch this dozer slice into the earth like a hot knife through butter. First cut of a major pipeline job. It might look easy, but this is precision-grade work on wild terrain. Pure operator skill meets raw machine power. You're not just watching a guy run heavy equipment, you're watching art in motion. The Sawquip firewood processor attachment offers a highly efficient solution for converting excavators into precise cutting machines. Engineered for clean hardwood cuts, it improves safety by allowing the operator to remain at a controlled distance, reducing risk while boosting productivity. Despite its compact form, the DT75 demonstrates impressive torque as it attempts to start the larger T70 unit. It's a clear example of mechanical synergy and operator persistence under challenging conditions. Few machines match the force of a D11 in action. Watching Eddie operate it with such precision offers both a masterclass in heavy equipment control and a reminder of the importance of refined technique in high-stakes work. Now this is how you upgrade the game. SBB's rolling out serious tech. Think conveyor trucks built into a Mercedes rig, plus specialized excavators made to fit the task. They're not just ditching old school methods, they're rewriting the playbook. Faster moves, smarter workflows, and a whole new standard for heavy logistics. This is future-ready engineering. That's some next-level skill right there. Every inch matters when you're loading a beast like that. Talk about an adrenaline-pumping moment. Total respect to the operator. Watching that massive loader settle into place so seamlessly is a testament to skill and mechanical control.